Welcome to Auto Moves, your go-to channel for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G63, a masterpiece of engineering and luxury that continues to set benchmarks in the high-performance SUV segment. The 2025 Mercedes G63 carries its iconic boxy design forward while incorporating subtle refinements that elevate its presence on the road. Under the hood, it boasts a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, delivering an impressive 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse pairs seamlessly with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The G63 comes equipped with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, offering exceptional traction and stability, whether you're navigating rugged terrains or cruising through city streets. Inside, the cabin redefines luxury with premium materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment display work in unison to provide a fully connected and intuitive driving experience. Features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Burmester surround sound system ensure entertainment and connectivity are always within reach. The updated unmatched system includes advanced voice recognition, making it easier to control various vehicle functions with natural commands. The 2025 G63 also impresses with its off-road capabilities. 3 locking differentials, adjustable suspension, and multiple drive modes allow the G-Class to tackle even the toughest trails with ease. Despite its rugged abilities, this SUV remains a comfortable daily driver, thanks to adaptive dampers and excellent noise insulation. Safety is a top priority in the G63, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and active brake assist ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The available night package and AMG styling enhancements provide additional customization options, allowing owners to tailor the SUV to their taste. This year's model also introduces slight tweaks to its exterior, including new LED lighting elements, optional 22-inch wheels, and a refreshed grille design. Combined with its unmistakable silhouette, the G63 remains an automotive icon that commands attention wherever it goes. If you're as excited about the 2025 Mercedes G63 as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Auto Moves for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest news in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help us bring you even more exclusive content.